What's up guys? So you're on the website and you're configuring your next equipment trailer. Today we're going to talk about some of the differences between the HDT and the newly redesigned DET to help you decide which one is right for you. First we're going to start with our newly redesigned DET and some of the differences that make it different, like I said, between this and our HDT. The first is going to be obvious. It is the ability to use the full width of the trailer, the 102 wide. This makes it easier for loading material on here, and obviously when you're loading equipment that goes like a tractor over 83 inches wide, you do have that versatility because of the width of the trailer. The second difference between these two trailers is going to be the option to have power tilt. So this comes standard with power tilt and it comes standard with the remote. This is something that you can use while standing on the ground or from the seat of your equipment. And finally, one of the last differences for this trailer is the ability to have the full bed tilt. So with a newly redesigned DET, we do actually have the option to have stationary deck, but this trailer can be configured to go 30 feet of full tilt, just adding to the versatility of this trailer. So moving on to our HDT, and one of the key differences for it is going to be the low deck, the low profile that you're able to carry. You'll have a lower center of gravity and it's just easier to load things. One of the next differences is the hydraulic dampening tilt. Now we have the option to add power to it, but it does come standard with the hydraulic dampening tilt. Now this is great because you're not reliant on a battery. If you're out and you're working one day, battery's dead, it doesn't matter because you still have the hydraulic dampening tilt for this trailer. One of the last things to consider when you're comparing these two trailers is going to be price. The HDT does start with the lower price. However, you do lose some of the versatility that you would have with the DET. Both these trailers are available in gooseneck or bumper pull. Configure your next trailer at DiamondC.com.